Hey, what's up everyone? I am out here on Sunday, August 7th. It's awesome out. You can see it's an overcast day. Just a slight breeze, nothing crazy. And it's about 70 degrees, so it's not too hot. I have a few hours before a thunderstorm rolls in, so I gotta be quick with my fishing here. I launched at McDaniel's Launch for a little bit of a change up. Typically I'm in Porter's Cove, as you guys know that, but wanted to try some new areas of the lake. And I got a jig tied on right now. Gonna be making some casts up to these down trees. There's your nice jig. It's a nice meal. They should be biting today. It's perfect out here. These are the days that you need to take advantage of. Oh, bites. Oh, real small nibbles. He had it though. He was running. First bite of the day. Didn't take too long, about 10 minutes. Even when I get little bites like that, it's a confidence boost because at least you know they like what you're throwing. Even if it's just a little dink, it's fine. No bass. Off the backboard. Is that a bass? Oh, that felt good. Come on. No. Check me out, dude. I'm matching my boat today. Got this light blue shirt. Looking good, man. Feeling good.
Wow.
Bite. They're small, man. All my bites today have just been from tiny fish. I don't know if it's bass or bluegill. Almost 11 a.m. So I've been here for an hour, I think. Just getting little bites. Nothing substantial. So haven't been able to pull one in yet, but we're gonna keep at it here. Oh! Yes! Hit it on the fall. All right, man. First fish. I've been fishing all these down trees this morning, and only got a few little bites in my first hour, but now pulled out I don't know, a pounder. Nice healthy little fish though. I'm happy to get you. Thank you, sir. Good cast, come on. Right in the middle of this tree. Nope. Nope. No sir, no bass. So I got a jig and a stick bait up here with me. Whenever I see something like this, I'll throw my jig. Whenever I see overhanging branches, I'm gonna use my stick bait so I can skip up under there, because I'm having a hard time doing that with this bait caster. It's driving me crazy. So right now I'm just gonna switch it out. Boom, boom. Man, he was real tight up on that tree. We are downgrading fish. That's not good. But yeah, I skipped that worm and pretty much got hung up in those branches, and he grabbed it. So he was pretty close up to the bank. It's always good to have Old Faithful tied on. Yes. Oh my gosh. I love this fish. Chill, 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 chill. I've gone so long without a bite, and that is a nice quality bass. He was right just in the center, deeper portion of this tree. There's a lot of grass on that other side. I cast it probably a dozen times all around this tree. Finally, he picked it up. Yes, man. All right. See ya, dude. Yes. It just feels so good, man. When you go a long time, just cast after cast after cast, no fish, and you finally get that one, it's so good. I believe this is a Googan Squad jig, 3/8 ounce. I don't know the exact pattern, but some brown, some blue, some black. I got that Yum Christie Craw black and blue trailer on there. Water's a bit stained, I'm assuming because we've had some rain recently. So I thought this darker color would be the deal, and yeah, it's been pretty good. 2 fish on the jig, 1 on the worm. My line broke. No, I lost my jig. I'm gonna go with a Texas rig instead of that jig. Just changing it up a little bit. A little after 1 o'clock. And I haven't got a fish in a long time. There we go. I just need to talk about it. Ooh, yes. Oh, my Christie Craw's gone. Feisty little one. Right in the middle of this down tree. I had a feeling there'd be a bass there. I changed out from that jig to just a Texas rigged Christie Craw. It's funny, I was talking about not catching a fish in a while. I was actually talking to another kayak angler up here for a good bit, and he caught 4 himself, and I believe that was my 4th fish. I didn't get that guy's name, whoever that was. Nice meeting you. I'm sure I'll see you again. This is the olive shadow color. It's really nice. It's an olive with some blue in it. Looks pretty natural. It's been a pretty good day. I mean, a lot of time in between each fish catch. So it's been kind of boring at times, but I can't complain, right? But 4 fish is not bad. I typically don't fish the weekends either. I always think that it's going to be crowded. Oh God, my line's wrapped around my rod. Oh, shoot, stay on. Put the hand line this thing. There he is, tiny. Might be the smallest one today. Oh, Jesus. I set the hook and you flew in the boat. Oh my God. I didn't know I had a fish on there. I was messing with my motor. Now I'm spinning in circles. Chill, buddy. Chill. They're all about the same size. There's just these little dinks. That's number 6, I believe. Was trying to reposition myself to start casting up here, but he was more in the shaded area under the branches. I'm gonna fish some of the spots I hit earlier with the jig, just with this Texas rig. See if I can get anything else out of here, and then I'm gonna probably call it. Oh my God, airborne. Nice fish. Nice fish. Stop. So I fished this earlier with a jig and didn't get anything. I figured I might as well hit it up on my way back. I'm glad I did. Had to use my pliers for this guy. Good hook set. There we go. Well, football. I mean, that's a better size fish for today, which is kind of sad. It's been pretty tough with trying to get decent sized fish. It's been all dinks, but we have the quantity, right? I think that was fish number 7. So that's a pretty dang good day, if you ask me. My friend Jim jokes and says that I set the hook way too hard, and that one day I'm just going to set the hook and a pair of lips are going to come out of the water, just the mouth of the bass. I've been pretty low energy today, guys. Sorry, I'm just tired and it's hot. I'm ready for it to be fall, and kind of disappointed that I'm not catching better fish. Oh, you little. Well, I just smashed my rods behind me with that cast and lost my Christy Cross, so I think that's a good place to end the fishing trip. It's really hot right now. I'm dying. I want to get home. So I fished about 4 hours. That's typically where I'm at, 3 or 4 hours. And yeah, I was a little bit worried because it was very slow today, but I did end up getting 7 fish, I believe, so that's not too bad. Nothing of quality, so I'm a little bit bummed out, but it's still fun either way. Those little dinks are still fun to pull in. That's gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. I'll talk to you later.